Hello children, today I will teach you the lesson The Land of Dense Forests. Social Studies, chapter number 6. So before beginning the chapter, there is one exercise given in the beginning. These countries lie in the equatorial region. Rearrange the letters to get their names. So first one is Kenya, Kenya. Second one Cameroon, Cameroon. Third one Malaysia, Malaysia. Fourth one is Srilanka, Sri Lanka. Fifth one Ecuador, Ecuador. Sixth one Panama, Panama. So do this exercise in the book only. Now I will begin the chapter. Listen. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is the equatorial region. This region has a hot and a wet climate. The Democratic Republic of Congo lies in this region. See map 6.1. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, is the short name. The DRC is the second largest country in Africa after Algeria. It has an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometers. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. Location. The country is located in Central Africa. It is surrounded by 9 countries. See map 6.2 and name these countries. So children, this is the map 6.2. You can see the countries. Land. River Congo, the second longest river in Africa, flows through the country. This river is known as the Highway of Central Africa. The country lies in the center of the river basin, which is a vast low-lying area covered with rainforests. It is surrounded by mountains and plateaus. Towards the northeast lie the Rwenzori Mountains. Mount Margarita is the highest peak in this range. The country has 4 major lakes: Albert, Edward, Kivu and Tanganyika. These lakes lie along the eastern boundary of the country. Climate. The country has an equatorial climate. It is very hot and rainy throughout the year. Humidity is high, which makes it uncomfortable at times. Mornings are generally pleasant. At noon, the temperature is very high and the heat is unbearable. Gradually, clouds build up, resulting in heavy rain. In the afternoons, evenings and nights are cool and comfortable. Vegetation. In hot and humid regions, trees and other plants grow quickly. The forests have a large variety of trees. Most of the trees are tall and form a dense canopy at the top. Even sunlight cannot pass through it. These forests remain green throughout the year and are called evergreen forests. These forests are so dense that it is difficult to pass through them. The forests are rich in wildlife. Gorillas, chimpanzees, monkeys, bonobos and baboons are found here. Marshy lands are home to hippopotamus, rhinoceros and the elephant. The rivers and lakes are full of crocodiles, alligators and fish. Okapis and antelopes are found in the forests of Ituri. Lions, cheetahs, hyenas, giraffes and buffaloes live in the grasslands. Pelicans, ducks, owls and eagles are some of the birds found here. So children, this is the checkpoint. This circle the names of the countries that share boundaries with the DRC. So I have circled them. You can do the same. Economic resources. Farming is the main occupation. Forestry, fishing and livestock rearing are other occupations. Large areas under forests have been cleared for farming. The main food crops cultivated are rice, maize and cassava. Farmers also grow many cash crops such as cocoa, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber and oil palm. Some cash crops are exported to other countries. The methods of farming are traditional and primitive. The country is rich in minerals. The minerals found here are gold, cobalt, copper, cadmium, petroleum, diamond, silver, zinc, manganese, tin, uranium, iron ore, bauxite and coal. Most minerals are exported. Industries are not well developed. Most industries are based on agricultural raw materials. Some products such as shoes and textiles are manufactured in the cities. Life of the people. The country is thinly populated. Most people live in scattered villages. Some people have migrated to towns to work in mines and factories. Cassava, a root crop, is the staple food of the people. It is dried and pounded into flour. This flour is used to make bread. Fish is an important part of their diet. The Bantu people constitute a majority of the population. They are tall and have curly hair. They speak languages belonging to the large Bantu language group. These people follow traditional lifestyle. They enjoy music and dance. On special occasions, they wear colorful dresses. So, children, thank you and have a nice day.